Sundarakandam, Chapter 55. Hanuman realizes his wrongdoing. After burning down the city of Lanka, Hanuman dipped his tail in the sea and extinguished the fire. Hanuman then became worried. Why did I burn down Lanka city? I have done a bad deed. As you wash away fire with water, so should you intelligently control and subdue anger. Those who control their anger are blessed ones. Ordinary persons in anger do sinful deeds. One could even kill their teacher out of anger. The angered one will deject good people with harsh words, and there will be no discrimination of speech and actions. Just as a snake partially removes its skin, likewise good person should shed his anger. Hanuman blamed himself some more for what he did. Oh, I did not even think of Sita Mata and how she might get burnt with the Lanka city. I am ungrateful to my master. My intelligence did not work. I am ashamed of my actions. I am a sinful person who burnt all of Lanka. I ruined the whole purpose of Sri Rama's work. Sita Mata could also be burnt in the flames. Before burning Lanka, I did not think of protecting Sita Mata. Oh, I was blinded by my anger. Now I do not see even a single place that did not burn. Everything in Lanka is in ashes. Maybe Sita Mata has also been destroyed. If that is so, it is better I also die here. This is how I spoiled the whole thing out of my anger. Maybe I should jump into the fire and then jump into the sea and be food for the animal kingdom. How will I face Sugriva alive? Because of my monkey anger, I will be famous for burning Lanka with outrageous monkey anger. I am a monkey, and even though I had the ability to protect Sita Mata, I did not protect her. There is no rational in a Rajasa attitude. That kind of Rajasa attitude overcame me. I am very bad luck. I did not know what I was doing in anger. The whole world will be destroyed because of me. I used to feel good omens before. What about them? They should come true. Those good omens will come true. Sita Mata is a divine lady. She must be safe. Her own aura must have protected her. She herself is a fire. How can a fire burn herself? She is very loyal to her husband. She is the wife of righteous Rama. Fire cannot touch her. The fire god did not even burn me. How could she be burned? As Hanuman was thinking, he heard voices in the sky. What a surprise! Hanuman burned down all the buildings and palaces. He did something no one else could do. The demon ladies, children, and elderly people are all running in fear and confusion. They are crying to Ravana. The palace gates and the fort outskirts are all burned down. Surprisingly, Sita Devi under the Ashoka tree is safe. This is simply amazing. After hearing those words, Hanuman was happy. He was overjoyed. He wanted to go and see Sita Mata one more time and get her blessings before returning. Reflection here is, anger totally blinds clarity of thinking and intelligent decision making. Don't attempt to do any work in anger.